Hello, this is Joan of Art. Laid back country, just woke up, look, no combing, no makeup, no nothing, but I did take a bath. So let's get down to business. Let's learn more words today. We've discussed in our earlier video the words diri and dira and didto. There are words related to diri and dira, which is ARI kag ARA. If diri means here, ARI also means here, but in a different sense. ARI is your equivalent of like have and here. So if you say, I have it here, ARI. I have here a bunch of plantain bananas. So may ari ako saging. I have here a bunch of bananas. If you ask me if I have here with me a bunch of something that you're looking for, you ask me, may ara ka? Do you have it with you? Do you have? Oh yes, yes, may ara, may ara, may ara. But not in my person or not near me. When I say my ara, I have it here somewhere or I have it there somewhere. So it's just there. I still have to find it. But I'm sure that I have it just somewhere. My ara. But if I really have it in my possession, my ari, I have it here. Ari. So ari and ara. May ara ka dira saging? Do you have there a bunch of bananas? My also means the same thing. There is my. So it doesn't matter. Ilonggo is not bothered with redundancy. In fact, there's a lot of redundancy in our language. So it's okay if you double up and say my. There is ari. I have it here or have here. May ari ako saging. I have it here or there is there is ari have here saging. May ari ako diri saging. The same thing with diri, dira, and didto. There's also ADTO, the far sense of ARA. ARA is just there, so it's in the near sense, but ADTO, it's a far sense. There is something there, but it's far. My ADTO didto. Speaking of redundancy, I don't know what you call it, maybe a triple redundancy. In conversational Ilonggo, you can even say may, there is, ARI, have here, diri, here. So you can say may ARI diri saging, bananas. May ARA didto saging. Or may ARA dira saging. The redundancy is for emphasis. So people use it in practical Ilonggo, so you can use it too. The opposite of ARI or ARA is wala, nothing or none. So you say wala. If you don't have it or if there is none, you say wala. So ARA means there is something, it's positive, and if there's nothing, negative, wala. ARA and wala. So I hope you learned again something. May ARI, may ARA, ADTO, and wala. Wala. This is Joan of Art sending you all love. Like, share, and subscribe. And until our next video, see you.